Hey man, I can't believe somebody actually tried to get me, man. A fake pair of Air Jordan 4 military blues. We gotta talk about it. I gotta help you guys out, especially with a huge release like the military blue 4s. So let's get into today's video, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated. You guys used to seeing me a little bit more uplifted, you feel me? I'm trying to give you guys my real reactions. So literally, bro, your boy was trying to, you know what I'm saying, make a little investment into the channel. I was trying to pop out on YouTube a little bit early with some heat, but that came to a real quick halt, man. Before we get any further, man, if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please leave a huge like, man. Let's get this up to 400 likes. I hope the video helps a lot of you guys out there. And all that being said, man, let's go ahead and jump right into it, bro. All right, so I believe it was February the 28th, man. I've been eyeing the Air Jordan 4 military blues on GOAT for the longest. That's the only app that has the military blues listed with no box. You guys know you can get early shoes with no box sold through GOAT app. They let you do that. They let people sell sneakers like that as long as they are legit, and you can get early pairs with no box from even, you know, some legit sneaker resellers that actually have that early plug in these different warehouses and stuff like that where the sneakers are produced. So for me, like I said, man, I try to make a little investment because I did pay, I think, $650, I believe. You know what I'm saying? I was eyeing a size 9.5 and a size 9. Both of those shoes did not have the box, but they both were listed over on the GOAT app. So I'm like, you know what, man? Let me make this little investment for the channel. Let me help you guys out, show you guys these things early, because that will not only help me, but also help you guys as well see what the actual real deal. It's nothing against, you know what I'm saying, unauthorized sneakers, but me, myself, I do not wear them. If you do, that's your thing. Me over here, man, we just can't do it, bro. Everything 100% legit. But like I said, man, I went on GOAT. I seen the size 9 for like the last 2 weeks. I'm like, I don't know about that size 9. I kind of want to get a personal, you know what I'm saying? Maybe I can do it on feet a little bit early. So I seen a 9.5 pop up on there, and instantly, bro, I'm putting some screenshots in the video too, so you guys know I ain't capping. But it was size 9.5 on there. I'm like, man, that's my size. That'd be good for the channel. It'd be perfect. You know what I'm saying? A perfect world. Everything would be good to go. And literally, man, the shoes ship real quick. Like I said, this purchase happened February 28th. It was nighttime. I'm like, man, I'm going to buy them, bro. I'm going to put a trigger on them joints. And I did. And now we're here on March the 1st. And yeah, I got the notification from the GOAT app. They emailed me, and they even sent a little notification on the GOAT app. They are trying to find another size 9.5 because a pair came in not legit. And you know, that could be a couple of different things. Like, you know what I'm saying, they probably didn't verify. For one, there's no box. They probably don't, you know, so they probably don't even have a shoe. They probably never seen the new 2024 military blues. So that could be something. But they could also be like, you know what, we have seen the military blues and they look nothing like what somebody tried to sell that size 9.5. So it came back, you know what I'm saying, not verified through the GOAT app. You guys know I rock with GOAT heavy, especially after the day. Like, I am happy that they didn't send me no fake shoe. You know what I'm saying? Say, friends, they did send over here that I'm showing you guys something that I'm thinking is real, and the whole time they fake. So, you know, it kind of stopped that from happening. So I guess you could say, you know, thank you to GOAT for not verifying something that wasn't real. You know what I'm saying? Now I'm not showing you guys nothing fugazi, you feel me? I would never try to do that. If I don't got the shoe, if I don't pay the money to get the shoe early, then I just literally won't have it, you feel me? I would never try to portray to have, you know what I'm saying, the real deal. And in the back of my mind, knowing that something is fake, that's just something I've never done. I never even bought a fake shoe. And so I want you guys to be aware of the fakes that might be floating around on these different, you know, sneaker platforms. Might be somebody hitting you up on IG saying that they got them. Who knows, you feel me? I wouldn't trust it as of yet, but if you do, make sure you get them things checked by a couple different reliable sources, which I always tell you guys. If you buy something from somebody, and you buy some StockX or GOAT, man, check it up on another, you know, legit checking app. Hit up one of the homies, hit up a sneaker reseller. They might help you out. But as you guys can see today, man, I'm military blue folders. I don't got them, bruh, even though I tried my hardest to get them things to show you guys early on the channel. But hopefully here soon, you know, the early pairs do pop up. The legit pairs pop up that, you know, get through GOAT, get through StockX. Legitly, they're verified, they're 100% authentic, and I'm able to show you guys what we're going to be in store for, because this is probably one of the biggest releases of 2024 in my honest opinion. You know, I thought it was an Air Jordan 4 Brand Reimagined. I've seen a couple, you know, photos, I've seen some videos on them already. Them things is tough. And I feel like, you know, we haven't gotten the military blues as recently as we got the Bread 4s in 2019. So I think the last time the military blue 4s dropped was in 2012, if I'm not mistaken. And we all went in 2024, and now we got them joints coming back, Nike Air on the back, the nice shape for the 4s. So man, I was all over it. I'm about to show the Vintage Squad this early kicks. I'm like, they should be here, you know what I'm saying, within the next week. Like I said, I got the email and notification from the Goat app. I'm like, hold on, what you talking about? You trying to find a replacement? So I had to hit them up, and they had to tell me, you know, they didn't verify. So yeah, man, your boy took a short-term L, long-term dub, because like I said, I didn't get a fake shoe. Like I said, I spent like $600 or $700 on that sneaker altogether, including the fees, shipping, and taxes, and all that crazy stuff. And I guess you could say I got that extra $700 back in my pocket, but I don't have the military blue 4. I can't wait, bro. Me, myself, I'm super excited about the release. You guys know I dropped a short recently where I told you guys it's only gonna be about 450,000 pairs, and there were like 500-something thousand pairs that dropped on the Nike Sneakers app, or, you know, something to that effect, that they dropped all together from the shock drop and the initial drop. And you see how quickly those went. You see how many L's were passed around due to the hype, due to the demand for that sneaker. And if it's 450,000 pairs for the military blue 4s, bro, it's gonna be a problem. Like, it's gonna be a crazy, crazy release. And when these early pairs do come out, I'm probably gonna be again spending that $400-500 for that early pair of sneakers just to show you guys. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in, man. I just want to come up on here, be 100% honest with you guys, let you guys know what happened to me. The fakes are out there, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you might get got, but hopefully at the end of the day you don't. In these different apps like Go, eBay, and StockX, wherever you do buy your sneakers from, they do come back, you know what I'm saying, legit, and you actually getting what you paid for. Like, I would hate to pay $700 for something I thought was real, and then at the end of the day them joints is fake. Like, I'll be hot. I'll be all the way hot. And again, I'm happy GOAT stopped that sale from happening. They seen that they were not real, and you know, I'm not out of $700 and I don't have a fake pair of sneakers. And real quick, while I got you guys here, man, I want you to let me know down below in the comment section if you did secure a pair of the eggplant foam posits. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the foam posits, and like I've been telling y'all for like the last couple weeks, I might pull out all my foams, see which ones I still have. I did sell a couple back in the day, but I do have some. I got some heat, bro. I got some heaters for the foam posits, and the eggplants is something I never had, so I had to go and get these things right here. So let me know down below in the comment section if you snagged a pair of the eggplant foam posits. And then another release that might get heavily slept on this weekend, which is to be expected due to the retail tag being $225. We have the Air Jordan 5 Olives right here. Let me know if you're going to be snagging them things. Let me know if you might wait, see if they hit the outlets or go on sale. I'm not too sure on the sale part, because I want y'all to remember the Air Jordan 5 Burgundies did not go on sale anywhere. Them joints did sell out within a couple of days. So I don't want y'all thinking that, you know, if you pass up on Sunday, that, you know, in a couple of weeks you might hit a sale. Because let's be real, are you taking the Olive 5s or are you taking the Air Jordan 5 Burgundies? I want y'all to put that in perspective, and I don't want y'all to be sleeping and end up taking a crazy L for a classic pair of Air Jordan 5s, man. So again, man, thank you so much for tuning in. Watch out for them fakes out there for these Air Jordan 4 military blues, because I'm telling y'all it's gonna be coming. These fakes gonna be filtrating throughout the market, so make sure you stay safe. Make sure you check what you are buying and getting what you are actually paying for. The real deal Holyfield, man. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we do drop. And make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, man. I had to drop this one for you guys today. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. And all that's being said, man, your boy DeVintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.